Hi, it's Mids from My Life Mids. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I want to do a quick flip through of some of my pages. Somebody also commented on my last, I guess the unboxing video of this Gillio Miyakara in the pocket size, and they said that they wanted to see, like, I guess an update. So this is what it looks like actually after using it for several months. I want to rewatch my unboxing video to see if there is a difference in color. Well, there probably is, but you can most definitely see the scratches. If I remember to, I will do like a close-up. But yeah, I thought I would share with you what I have been doing lately in my journals, and also my lack of activity in my Hobonichi Techo, and what I did to fill the empty pages. So I think I'll just quickly look at the pages in here. This is the regular size traveler's notebook in the brown, and I purchased it while it was still under the branding Midori here. There we go. It is now called Traveler's Company. Traveler's Company is what they're called now. But yeah, so I think so. I have like a travel journal here that was created by My Decorated Mess, and these are beautiful pages. It's kind of like a junk journal. So I've been documenting my summer in here. Let's see if I can find. Yeah, so this is just the cover, and I don't want to do a full flip through yet because I haven't really covered the faces on some of the photos, and I'm still not finished journaling in it. But so I have been using a separate travel journal for my summer, and this is the weekly, which I don't think I will be going back to next year, unfortunately. I do love the fact that I can just jot down several sentences, you know, just really easy journaling. I decorate the pages in advance with washi tape. Whenever we do meetups, I borrow my friends' stamps and things. For example, like these really pretty Chamille Garden stamps from Esther Molina's art. There's one right there, but yeah, I've been borrowing these stamps. I think this one is from Momo Loves Paper. This one as well from Momo Loves Paper. Look at this, it's so pretty. It's actually, there's like the base stamp with the hands, and then you can interchange the inside latte part. Isn't that so neat? Anyway, so I borrow a lot of stamps when we do the meetups. So let me quickly, I don't remember where I last left off, but maybe somewhere around here, I'm assuming. Let's quickly do a flip through. Like I mentioned previously, I really enjoy the washi tapes and stickers and just kind of collaging and combining, layering bits and pieces. This is totally blank. I can't believe it. August. I think maybe this is during the summer holidays. So I might get, maybe during the next meetup, I might get somebody to fill these pages out. Some of these spreads are on my Instagram, so I need to update my Instagram because I'm a little bit behind. For example, this one I don't think it's on Instagram, and this one too I don't think is on Instagram as well, but just do a quick flip through. The typhoon that we just recently had last night was scary. I was actually quite scared. The winds were very strong, and we pulled the shutters down, but still it was quite strong. And now this is this week. I need to jot something down for today's date, and yeah, like I said, I really enjoyed. I just write like a small snippet. It really doesn't take that much time, just a couple minutes, and I do enjoy this, but I really want to condense the amount of planners or journals that I'm using, and I love my junk journals, so I think I'm going to, for now, for the time being, for next year, I don't think I will be going back to this journal or journaling type, I guess, or this insert, but I think I will, well, I most likely continue to use this standard size traveler's notebook just to document like travel journaling and things like that. For example, like this one. So there's the flip through of my regular size traveler's notebook. And then let's quickly flip through here and see what it looks like inside. Because I don't think I did a setup video of the Gillio. This is my first ever one, and oh my goodness, I really enjoy this. It's very nice. In the back here, I just have a pad of paper. I find that there's like a sticky, I don't know if you can you hear that? Like a sticky residue here. So I'm just sticking in, and I can always use blank paper. It's always handy to have, and it's just a little bit, so I just stick that in there. Just have some documents, like medical documents in here, and just some medical cards. And here I have the passport size monthly calendar, and it just fits right, like it's perfect for the slit right here in the front. And in this pocket here I don't have anything. I assume it would be really good for like traveling too, like you can stick in your passport and you can have your, you know, foreign currency in there. But yeah, I just have my calendar in there, and then this is just a regular Jetstream. I really like these simple ballpoint pens that are nice and fine tip. Yeah, and I think it was Mela, I believe it was Mela, she recommended to put your pen in this way instead of like this, so that it doesn't, you know, hit, this clip part doesn't hit your journal. So if you can, make sure you slide it in sideways. I might end up looking for a thinner pen in the future. So I just kind of tabbed. So this is what I've been doing for, you know, I have a lot of empty pages, and I've been trying, I want to, I guess, be better with my lettering, and the only thing you can really do to, I guess, better something in anything is to practice and to keep practicing and practicing. So because I want to better my lettering, I decided to just write quotes. So here are just some quotes, and I've also been enjoying trying to find like different colors, like mixing different watercolors to get different shades and different colors, and this is a color that I wouldn't use on a regular basis. Sorry about that, my battery on my phone is full, so I'm gonna have to keep this really short. But like I said, I'm really enjoying finding different colors and mixing different colors, and playing around in the Hobonichi Techo. The paper, you know, the paper is nice and thin, and it doesn't cause a lot of bulk. I love the crinkling sounds as well. Here I used a gray brush pen, so I'm trying different types of lettering ways, I guess, and just some doodling and drawing. Another good way to fill in your pages is to give your kids the watercolor brush and just let them play around. My daughter loves making these like upward swooshes. More quotes here. I love this color. I'm not a huge like orange yellow color person, but I love the variation in the watercolor. I really like watercolor because of that. There's just so much depth to it and so much variety. It's really enjoyable. And I'm just using just a regular Pentel Aquash water brush. It's not like a special watercolor brush or anything like that. This is what I mean with my daughter. She just really likes going up. And sometimes I feel like maybe one day I will make an actual drawing out of these little swooshes, like if I see something in them. And here's another one here. Sometimes I cannot wait, or I'm not very patient, so I dab Kleenex or something when there's like a wet, if it's pooling here, and that's why it looks like that. just collaged a paper wrapper there. And yes, Friday, oh, I don't know if I have time to do a journal with me. I really want to. Friday I had a meetup with Momo Loves Paper and Esther, Molina's Art. Saturday we packed up all the boxes for the stationery selection, so I have, you know, pictures of that. Sunday, yesterday was a huge typhoon. I was really scared. Actually, it was quite scary. So I want to journal that too, but I don't know if I have time on my phone. But anyways, maybe I will keep it there for now. If I have enough phone life or phone battery, I will maybe do a journal with me in my Hobonichi Techo. I know I should be packing right now. I will be moving in less than 2 weeks and I have so much to pack. I really want to do a de-stash. I just don't know if I have enough time, or the best way. I don't know the best way to do it. Yeah, for example, I don't know if maybe YouTube is the best way to show the items. I'm not too sure, because I have the Peacocks of Grantham that I want to sell, the one for the Hobonichi Weeks, but I feel like the hardware isn't, like the gold part of the hardware isn't, like, it's kind of wearing off a little bit. And but I've rarely used it, and it's such a pretty cover. But anyways, sorry, enough about that. I hope you enjoyed this video and quick flip through of my journal pages. And I forgot to show you, maybe I think I did, I know I did an unboxing. This one is so lovely. It's still really nice. I don't know if it's changed color. Do you think it has? Probably not, eh? It's only been about a week, 2 weeks maybe? But I haven't filled anything in it. Oh, I think I'm speaking too loud. My daughter is kind of shuffling around over here. Okay, so I will leave it at that. If I have enough space on my phone, I will do a journal with me, even though I have to be packing. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and comment. And yes, I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.